Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel 1 2 Step. Today in this video, let's learn about how to fix no photo mode on TikTok. So let's get started. At first, let's get into TikTok app. So here it is. Now we'll be able to see only the videos and photo mode will not be available on TikTok. And even if we try posting, we'll not get the photo mode. And if this is the problem with you can simply go to your profile icon in the bottom and click on this three-lined icon over here and click on settings and privacy and click on report a problem here. Now simply click on report and click on chat with us. Here we need to simply write our problem, that is photo mode is not available, and once you're done simply click on this send icon over here on the right and your problem will be addressed by TikTok help desk and will finally be fixed. So that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.